Hello, my name is Minerva, and I'm going to be helping to solve the exercise number 6 of the quiz axis of chapter number 3, which is adjusting entries for the end of the period. This specific exercise is asking us to adjust entries for depreciation, insurance, revenue, wages, and interest. So one of the things that I like is right here all the exercises that we need to do the adjusting entries. They're going to be helping us on the sentence right here, so I don't have to be scrolling up and down. So we're going to start with the first one, and it says depreciation of the company's depreciation on the company's wind turbine equipment for the year is $5,600. So this exercise is asking us for an adjusting entry on depreciation. Depreciation is a counter account, and as we have learned is an allocation of the assets. So the only thing, we don't have to do any math, we only have like the $560 that we have to be adjusting. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is looking for the depreciation expense on equipment. It's talking about the equipment, so that one is $5,600. And the other adjustment that we have to do is the accumulated depreciation that we need to put at the end. $5,600. Okay, and that one it's complete. The number 2, it says prepaid insurance account for the solar panel had a $2,600 debit balance at December 31st before adjusting for the cost of any expired coverage. Analysis of prepaid insurance shows that $900 of unexpired insurance coverage remains at the end of the year. So at the beginning we have $2,600 for the prepaid insurance, and that one is an asset. And at the end of the year we have left $900. So we have to minus those $900 out of the $2,600, and that is going to be an expense. So because we're talking about insurance, we're going to be doing that insurance expense, and when we minus 900 from the 2,600, we have $1,700. And then the other adjustment is the prepaid insurance, because where is it? Right here. That prepaid insurance, it has to be credited. And that's all we have to do on that one. For the number 3, it says the company received $4,800 cash in advance for sustainability consulting work. As of December 31st, 1/3 of the sustainability consulting work had been performed. So that one is unearned revenue, even though we received like $4,800 on cash, all of it, but it was only done 1/3 of it by the end of the year. So what we have to do on this one is divide the $4,800, we have to divide it by 3, and that will give you the amount for the consulting work done. So we have let's see, the unearned revenue. Let's see. right here. They hide from me sometimes. So the unearned revenue is $1,600, and then we make the other adjustment for the service revenue. Service revenue. That service revenue we credited for $1,600. The next exercise is, as of December 31st, $1,800 in wages expense for the organic produce workers has been incurred but not yet paid. So as per December 31st, this $1,800 is wage expense, and it's debited for let's see, wages expense is debited for $1,800, and because we still need to pay it for next year, it's the wages payable, and we have to credit that one for $1,800. The very last one is, it says, as of December 31st, the company has earned but not yet recorded $460 of interest revenue from investments in socially responsible bonds. The interest revenue is expected to be received in January 12. So we still have to make the adjustment of these $460 by December 31st, which is interest receivable. So we're going to debit the interest receivable for $460, and then we are going to do that revenue, interest revenue, for $460. So if we notice each of one, like this one is the depreciation, the second one was insurance expense, the unearned revenue, which is expense, and the very last one is the interest receivable. One of the things that it helps me is just remember that we just have to make adjustment on the two accounts, which is the balance sheet and the income statement, and following the three-step process to solve the adjusting entries on the journal. So another feature that I like is the one that we go over here to check my work. I'm going to check my work, and it says that the answer is complete and correct. So we have up to 3 tries, and if we can't do it, which is, unlimited time, do it as many times as we can, so we can understand that one. Then you can go back to the question. If you have any question, we can always make comments at the bottom of the the comments on the feed, and I'm more than welcome to explain. Sometimes my brain works in a different way that I explain things, but I'll do my best. Thank you. Good luck on the rest of the exercises.